Friends, good afternoon. Today is another new episode we have got for you. The menu is from Awadh. Everybody knows regarding Awadh. It's a historical place and this is located in and around the city of Lucknow. Lucknow, what a nice place. It was once upon a time the place of Nawabs. It's full of history, it's full of iconic monuments, it's full of dishes, it's full of kebabs, it's full of what not. The thing you speak, the thing is very much available over there. So only the thing which we want or which we desire is the inclination, is the desire of moving up to Lucknow. But everybody cannot move up to Lucknow because they are busy in some place for their work, for their studies, for their other activities. But yes, whenever you get time, you please pay a visit to the great historic city of Lucknow. I myself has visited Lucknow for 2 times and I have discovered the Lucknow in various ways in terms of the food, in terms of the clothes, in terms of the scenic beauty, in terms of history, in terms of the culture, what not. So friends, I am Bankim Jordan, head of the department and in charge of the quantity training program. Today's date is 18th August 2025, Monday. We have got another group from the 3rd semester batch of BSc HHA. This is Group A, and today we have made a couple of choicest dishes, the great dishes, iconic dishes from the state of Lucknow, from the place of Lucknow. It's not a state, I beg your pardon. It's a capital city of Uttar Pradesh. Friends, in Lucknow, the best thing which I like is Pehle Aap, that is you first. This is called hospitality, that is Mehman Nawazi. Whenever you pay respect to others, the respect comes to you automatically. What you give, that comes back along with the interest. As you sow, so you reap. India is a great country. It has got the various mantras of hospitality. We know how to give the status of God to our visitors. So should be you, like wherever you go, you young generation, the students of 11th and 12th, and obviously other persons also, you make it a point that the person, the animal, the creature, the nature, the trees, the plants, whatever you have got in front of you, that is the creation, that is the gift of nature to whom we have to show our greatest respect. So I would like to ask our supervisor, Mr. Nitish. Nitish, how is the day today? Is it very good? It's a little bit, I think, hot, and the thing is the sweat is coming out of your head. So am I, and I'm not in a position to even sometimes breathe because I've got a lot of other health issues also. But you are all young generation. So how is the day of the day?
The day of 18 August 25.
Okay. How do you feel? Is it perfect?
All students are perfect and all health is
okay.
perfect.
What do you like the most out of this institute?
Food production department.
Food production department. I think as I'm standing in front of you, it would not be the point. Okay, I would like to rectify your the statement. It's not only food production. We have got other departments also. Front office. We have got F&B service. We have got housekeeping, that is known as accommodation operation, and we have got other ancillary subjects also, which you learn out here. So each and every faculty is an expert in their field. We have got Dr. Manoj Kumar Yadav, he's an expert in front office. We have got Mrs. Joyce, she's very expert in the front office. We have got Mr. Rajat Roy Chaudhary, he is a presentation expert. I have seen his presentation in various videos and he does very well whenever he presents the thing, more specifically the beverage part, he's very strong into it. We have got Mr. P. Suresh. He has just returned from couple of years ago from Switzerland, and we have got Mr. Anuj Gupta. He is a food production expert and what not. We have got our principal sir, Mr. Pulkit Bhambiji, and under his direction, we always dedicate ourselves towards the development of this institute. We have got many PhD holders also. We have got the highly qualified personals also. So friends, whenever you come to IHM Gwalior, I am very much sure that you are not going to lose anything. You will get what you think right at this particular moment, even more than that. So why you are waiting for? You please come and take admission in IHM Gwalior in 3-year BSc HHA program. in the diploma food production program, in F&B service program, and obviously we have got some other programs also. So supervisor, I would like to request you, please give a short brief up of the entire menu before our beloved friends one by one.
Today we have prepared Awadhi cuisine. This is located from Awadh region, like Nawab or Lucknow and Faizabad. So let's see the menu. First of all, salad. Anpurna Tomar, please explain it and give it review.
Hello everyone, good afternoon to all. I'm Anpurna from second year IHM Gwalior, and today we have a plate of salad. As you can see, very first we have the carrot, cucumber, onion and then tomato, and in middle we have a slice of lemon.
And next dish is Sami Kebab. Please, Nitish Temla, explain it.
Namaste everyone. Today I prepared Shami Kebab from the region of Lucknowi. So I would like to just tell one thing. This prepared with a meat, that is mashed meat and chana dal. So have a look for the on the crisp and the plating. So I would like to request with supervisor, please taste it.
Mutton keema is well cooked and all spices are flavor and aroma comes. And this is a crispy nature. So it is a
Which
nice
binding agent you have used into it?
chana dal.
Chana dal powdered. Okay friends, so the binding agent has been used, the chana dal powder, and that helps it to bind properly, and it also increases the taste. Now what are the other masalas you have used into it, the maker of the dish?
So all the Indian masalas like black pepper, cloves, and elaichi, choti elaichi and badi elaichi both, and pinch of garam masala. I think this one.
Okay, supervisor, you would like to tell anything regarding the kebab anymore? Okay, so what is the origin of this kebab? Lucknow.
Lucknow.
In the morning I have told you regarding galauti kebab or galavati kebab. What is the meaning of the term galavati?
गलावटी सर वो होता है जो गल जाए.
Okay, it melts very fast. It melts very fast. The reason behind is those persons who are not having the teeth due to old age, they can consume this particular kebab, that is galauti kebab, and the moment you put it inside the mouth, or if you have got some like teeth ache or teeth problem also, you can enjoy this particular dish and it will automatically melt inside the mouth, and that is the speciality of this particular dish. But the thing is, yes, you have to come to IHM Gwalior for admission. So in that case, I would like to also tell you, we have got the first year teachers also, whose name I have not taken so far. Mr. Feroz Khan is another expert. Then we have got Mr. Abhinav Bhatt. He is a very big expert in the bakery and whatnot. We have got a number of faculties. So the more I tell you, the more I think I would be needing much more time to explain their qualities. Okay. After that, we have got the rice part. Anybody please explain regarding the rice?
Explain it now.
Namaste everyone, prepared pulao, salt and khadi masala.
And taste it.
Please taste it and press the grain of the rice and tell the viewers how do you feel. Supervisor, you please pass your comment. Give it to some other person also. Mr. Vidul, you can
Rice
have
is-
it. Then you
Rice
can
is
give
well
it to...
cooked and water are not soaked, so it is a.
It's not soggy. Water is not there. What is the name of the dish?
Pulao.
It's pulao. Okay. What are the ingredients you have used? Have you used ghee into it? Khade masala into it?
Yes.
You have used. Tell the viewers. You have used. Okay. So friends, they have used these kind of things. So this particular name of the dish is pulao. It has got a number of variations. So I give the credit to Chef Brij Mohan Gabrani ji. He is a very big expert into it. We have got Dinesh Kumar Srivastav ji. And we have got Mr. Bamoria also. I have not mentioned his name, and he knows many like aspects of the cuts of the vegetables. If you take the admission in first year, he will teach you various cuts of the vegetables. But yes, I would like to request you that whenever you come to this institute, please meet Mr. Feroz Khan sir. He is a very big expert in two things. He is expert in bakery as well as he is expert in food production also. I am disclosing the names because I feel guilty if I do not tell their names, because they are also very good teachers in our institute, and if you take admission here, they will really like make you the great chef, the great manager, the great executives and whatnot. You will be able to fly in the colors of the sky. Okay, after that we have got the next item. Supervisor, over to you.
Next item is mutton riyaja. Please, Midul Tomar, explain it.
Good morning everyone, my name is Midul Tomar and I'm student of BSc HHA program 3rd SEM of Institute of Hotel Management Gwalior. Today me and my friend Pratik have prepared mutton razila, and we have prepared it by first boiling the mutton with some salt, and after that doing the saute of onions and then preparing a OGG paste, and then we prepared the gravy by putting all the spices, sweet spices especially, because no spice should be there, like no more red spices, but sweet spices are there more because it is a Nawabi dish. It is little bit sweet, that's why. And after that, preparing the gravy, then we put makhane and the mutton, and then it is prepared.
Somebody please taste the gravy and pass your knife to the chicken or the mutton. They are trying to taste the gravy. The gravy is coming out. Okay, how is the gravy?
Gravy is nice. Properly mixed ingredients are like coming in.
The sweet taste is there or not?
Yes.
Okay. What is the reason behind the sweetness of the taste?
Cream and kaju paste.
Okay. So friends, I would like to tell you the thing, like how the thickness of the gravy has been got into it. The thickness has been achieved because of the adding of the kaju paste into it. So you can get the thickness into the gravy by using the kaju nut paste, by using the charmagas paste, by using even mungfali paste you can use if the thing is to be a little bit economic in nature. But I would like to tell you that there are many gravies which are very similar to this kind of gravy, that is the risala gravy, the korma gravy, shahi gravy, white gravy, off-white gravy, kaju based gravy. Lot of gravies are there. See, if I tell you the names, the time will be very much less. So I would like to tell the name of another faculty who is youngest, and she has also got various like qualities, Mrs. Anshu. She takes the bakery first year class, and friends, if you attend the class, you will be able to learn many things in bakery, and every day we send 1 or 2 items from the bakery, that is from the department of Mr. Abhinav Bhatt and from the department of Mrs. Anshu to the staff kitchen, that is BTR, Basic Training Kitchen, and we really enjoy each and every day. Students learn how to do the service of the food items also. Then coming back, next item we have got, Supervisor, over to you.
Next item is paneer pasanda. Please, Naina Rajput, explain it.
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Naina Rajput. So as you know, today we prepared Avdi menu. So in which me, Naina Rajput and my friend Pratik prepared paneer pasanda, which is very famous in like Lucknow and Awadh origin. And we use in it paneer sandwiches. For making paneer sandwiches, we use stuffings or into it. For this stuffing, we use mawa and dry fruits and some spices like red chili powder and salt into it, and we like binding it, and when we stuffed in it, and like we cut a cube size, and for the binding, we prepared a slurry, and for the slurry we use maida and corn flour and some spices in it. Then we fry it. Then for the gravy, pasanda gravy, we use like mawa and cream, and for the sweetness we use mawa and cream in it, and it prepared and it garnished with cream and paneer.
Very true. Well said, Ms. Naina. And can you suggest our friends that which kind of roti can be served with this dish, paneer pasanda?
We can use butter naan or like tawa roti.
Fine, very true, friends. You can see the color contrast also. and the name plate, which also like gives a different feeling out here. Somebody please taste it. Pass the spoon to the paneer pieces and let the friends on the other side of the camera.
You can see it is soft or crunchy.
It's soft. It has got the filling inside it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mawa filling stuffing is also inside.
Give it to your friends. Let them taste. Let them taste and let them pass their comments, because we know that various tongues, when we use many tongues, that gives the actual
Paneer are
taste.
cooked
Sir,
soft.
Sir, you also take.
So supervisor, carry on with your version.
Sir, paneer are well fried and gravy tasted good. Sir, give it a taste.
Tasting very good. The flavor of the butter is there. It's buttery. Salt is perfect. But I think little bit of sharpness could have been more, because when I have it, it's not giving me the sensation of the red chili paste or the green chili effect of the green chili. If the Indian dish is not sharp, that is the flavor of the mirchi is not there, green chili or red chili, that does not give that particular like sensation as if the things are perfect. So this is the room for improvement. After that we have got the last dish, that is Muzaffar. Yes. So supervisor, over to you.
Pankaj Singh, please explain it. Desert Muzaffar.
Namaste viewers, my name is Pankaj Singh, third semester student, IHM Gwalior. Today we are making Muzaffar. First of all, we fry the sevaiya and add some water and add some sugar syrup and add some ghee. Then we some time to cook, and we add the tutti frutti garnishing for and some
Just have a close-up and
dry fruits, tutti frutti and pista also, badam pista, and the texture is good.
Please Ramkewat,
So
explain
then
it
the
and give it
texture-
review. Please taste.
taste it. Feel the sweetness, feel the dryness. Give it to the girl student also, and let them pass their
Sweetness is
comments.
good and smell of ghee and well cooked.
Over to Naina.
the sweetness is very good, and the sevaiya also soft in nature, and the aroma of ghee is in my mouth. It is very good.
Very good. So, friends, you have seen the episode of today, and really we have felt the scene. Really we have felt the contribution of the students in terms of their hard work, in terms of their presentability of the mind, in terms of their like other activities, which is just countless. It cannot be counted. Now, at the end of the session, I would like to mention the name of another artist, or another we can say it's a kind of making of the things that is design maker, that is more specifically that's called Rangoli, that is Madam Sandhya Shingalji. I beg your pardon, Mrs. Sandhya Hariom Singhal. Okay. Now she is a very good maker of the Rangoli. And I would like to tell you that if you come to our institute someday, you will really see the various murals, the various images, the various carvings which have been made by those teachers who were out here, and they have got their transfer to some other institutes. But those who are here, I can give you the guarantee that there will not be any problem for you in learning the things, because I teach my students every moment is a learning moment, every moment is a challenging moment. Now I have mentioned the names of all the teachers who are very much near and dear to me, who are very much respected to all the students, and obviously we have got the administrative staff, Mr. Abhishek Yadav ji, Mr. Bharatlal Mahur ji, and everybody is respectable. So friends, not taking much time, this is the first episode. I have told you the name of the staff members also. Please come to IHM Gwalior. I will be very happy. You will also be very happy. So please convey a message to the students of the other side, that is from class 11th and 12th.
Those students who are studying in class 11th and 12th, please come IHM Gwalior College, and admission are open, and all there are four departments like food production and food and beverage and housekeeping department and front office department. So you have learned more things. So all viewers 11th and 12th are study. Come to the IHM Gwalior and take admission with your own.
So friends, stay safe, stay healthy, stay jolly, stay nice, stay blessed. Let God bless all of us. Good day.